All right, let's turn our attention now to everything going on with the coronavirus. And we have heard now for several months that the end of this year would be a potential for some kind of vaccine to not only be approved, but maybe get its way out into the public. And some of those headlines continue today. Anjalee Khemlani joins us for the latest on all of that. Anjalee.
Thanks, Miles. Yep. So reaffirming that message today, we heard from Pfizer CEO saying about the same, that the vaccine is likely to be distributed to Americans by the end of this year. But we're still looking at what that timeline looks like in terms of actuality, with phase 3 of their trial reporting out by the end of October, but not early enough by the end of October to be involved in the independent discussions about vaccine distribution. So that's going to be an interesting timeline, and just how close it gets to the end of October and possibly longer. Meanwhile, we know that AstraZeneca did resume its trial. We know it was on hold last week because a patient had an unexplained illness in the UK for phase 3, and that triggered sort of a hold globally for all trials. So right now we're waiting on word on what happens with the US trials and whether or not those can continue this week.
All right, Anjalee Khemlani with all the latest going on the coronavirus front. Anjalee, we'll talk to you later on.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.